So our latest art project in Iarnród Éireann is with a local volunteer group from Courtney Place, Ballybock, which is in the northeast inner city area of Dublin. Our rail service is run by here every day. It's a big part of the lives of the residents who live in this area. You know, visually they see our trains passing by all the time, and we know the area really well. They recently acquired and developed a community space with Dublin City Council, a room for the children to gather and to play in. And they were really looking to further enhance the area. We were really delighted to be able to look at how we could get involved.
So we had a meeting with all of the residents with the DCC a year ago, and it was one of the older residents had said that they were forgotten about. They felt that they were forgotten about and they were just hidden here and nobody cared. So it was when I came up then with the suggestion of what about if we put nice murals on the wall, because we've seen them around the city, to try and brighten up the place and let people know like they're not forgotten, there's somebody here that cares. And that's when we found out then we had to contact Irish Rail to have a look into it and try and brighten up the complex, because at times people felt like they were living behind prison walls because of the big dark walls that they viewed every morning.
So after our initial workshop in the local community centre, we all agreed that we could really work at an enhancement for this area. And what was really noticeable was the lack of garden space and the greyness of the area. So we wanted to bring to the community the possibility of a visual garden, utilising spectacular canvas of 8 railway arches in the area. So with the support of our engineers department and artist Artur Oner, we set about further workshops to brainstorm and start progressing our plan.
The meeting went very well. We're going to be looking to introducing loads of colour and biodiversity elements into the place.
So today we have workshop 2 and we've come for a wonderful tour in the National Botanic Gardens. The kids have really enjoyed a really great day out looking at the beautiful flowers and plant life of the garden. Sorry.
I'm getting filming real photos.
Look at this.
So what's going on? What did you get?
Loads of squirrel photos.
Loads of squirrel photos. Do you want to tell Owen what you've enjoyed about today?
I've enjoyed going on the hunt for looking for all the squirrels and the caterpillars and all.
Yeah, you have a chat to Owen and tell him. And what else have you seen?
Loads of flowers.
And you've captured loads of images now so that we can actually bring them into the garden that we're going to have in Courtney Place. Isn't that right?
So what?
Fantastic.
Look at that.
I have loads of them.
Look at this.
I have loads of them.
Beautiful.
Loads of
I
them.
got 3 of them.
And what else did we see? A very special thing that you spotted first?
What can you do?
A caterpillar.
Then I spotted the second
You
one.
can do
2
drawings
caterpillars.
as well, based on the
Fantastic.
photo,
Have you had fun day today?
Yeah, if I flipped it that way.
yeah, you can do it.
So Mud Island Community Garden was our next port of call. This involved a hands-on creative workshop with Artur and the kids, bringing together ideas for the Courtney Place murals. Flowers, birds, squirrels, and some of the kids' favourites like SpongeBob SquarePants, Captain America and even Spider-Man were included. We got hands-on with spray paint too, which the kids absolutely loved. Great work was done and we were now ready to complete the real walls.
Should we get painting? Yeah? Awesome.
So the main event took place in late September, the most exciting workshop for everybody. It became a wonderful community event where everybody could come together and also allowed first-time introductions for many of the residents, a real community feel.
Hi, my name's Gwynta and welcome to the art tour.
Ever since day one, when we met with the parents and the kids, and we presented the idea that we want everyone to be involved in painting mural with us. The excitement was already high, and kids, I've been told by the mothers that they were looking every single day, is it today the day we're going to paint? Is it today we're going to paint? They couldn't wait, and they were like very excited, so they all got on board, they all got messy, they all splashed paint. We all creating like a beautiful piece, and we're having loads of fun while doing it.
In the afternoon, we had the opportunity with the kids to bring them in and to do some real planting in the planter boxes. So we got a mixture of kind of seeds and bulbs, and for a lot of the kids it was their first time planting, and they got to learn the skills and the caretaking that's going to come along with it.
Well, we would call this gardening field.
So a project like this is very important for communities, particularly within the northeast inner city, to be able to come in and show real investment to the community and to give new experiences to the children that live here. And it's a great relationship build for us as an organisation to be able to come in and join the communities in this way and working together to do something really beautiful. It's been a great collaboration, supported by Dublin City Council as well. And I think the end results are really going to show just the creativity of the community, and also have a real pride. The kids will have a real pride in themselves, that's really important.
We want to see this as one of those projects that brings the community together. We started from zero, and through the work, through the workshops, through the concept design, and through the painting workshops together, the whole community comes together as a one, and we're not only brightening up their place, but we're also giving them memories for the future. And we also want to leave the message behind that you have to take care of your own community and make sure you put a good work in it. Everything is a team effort. We all have to work together.
So the walls and the art is the start of it. That was the starting point for us, so hopefully now we can go on to get a better space for the children.
So we're a neighbour to this community, so it's a different kind of a relationship. So I think it is incumbent on us to work with communities, find a way to be better neighbours. And I know the community want to continue to improve Courtney Place, and this gives a momentum to that. So it's in itself, I think it's really great, and we're delighted to be involved with it. But I think it's going to give great momentum to the community's efforts to continue to improve Courtney Place and improve it for the people who live here.
It gives us hope for going forward.